Hello, my friend. Welcome to Talk Tia. Before you scroll, before you skip, listen to me carefully. If you speak English, but people sometimes look confused, or you feel something is not right in your English, this video is made for you.
Yes, not for beginners only, not for advanced speakers only.
For normal Indian English learners, for people who try every day. If you stay with us till the end, you will discover the most common English mistakes Indians make again and again.
And the simple, correct way to fix them.
Not big grammar rules, not heavy explanations, just small changes that make your English sound clear and confident. If you want daily English practice without fear and pressure, subscribe to Talk Tia. Not because we say so, but because learning is easier together. Now, let me ask you something honest. Have you ever said something in English and later thought, why did I say it like that?
Or you said a sentence and people understood you, but you still felt it was wrong.
That feeling is very common.
And very frustrating.
Now listen carefully. This is very important. Most Indians do not make mistakes because they don't know English.
They make mistakes because they translate.
From their mother tongue.
Word by word.
And that creates problems. Let me say this clearly.
I'm listening.
Indian English mistakes are not about intelligence.
They are about habit.
And habits can be changed. But first, we must see them clearly. So don't skip this part. Let's start with a very common one.
I hear this every day.
Many people say, I am having a pen.
Or I am having a car.
Now listen carefully. This sentence sounds normal in Hindi.
But not in English.
In English, have is already enough. The correct sentence is, I have a pen. I have a car.
Simple.
I am having is used for temporary actions.
Like eating.
I am having tea. I am having lunch. Say this with me. I have a phone. Again, I have a job.
Feel the difference.
Short, clear, confident.
Earlier, I said I am having 2 brothers.
And now?
Now I say I have 2 brothers.
Much better. This mistake happens because of direct translation.
From Hindi or other languages.
So the solution is not more grammar.
It is awareness.
Once you notice it, you fix it easily. And now, let's move to another mistake that almost everyone makes. Many Indians say, do one thing.
Very common.
But in English, this sounds strange.
Native speakers don't use it.
Instead, you can say, let's do this. Here's an idea. How about this?
Much more natural.
Repeat after me. Let's do this. How about this?
Now your English sounds smoother.
These mistakes look small.
But they change how people hear you.
Correct English feels confident.
Wrong habit English feels uncertain. And now listen carefully. This next mistake is very serious. Many people never realize it.
Many Indians say, he is coming only.
Or, I told you only.
This is again translation. In English, only is placed differently.
Give correct examples.
He is coming. I told you. Or if you want emphasis, he is the only one coming. That is the only thing I said. Say this clearly. He is coming. I told you.
Very clean English.
Earlier, my sentences had only everywhere.
Now they can breathe.
Yes, much better. Now remember this.
Very important.
Correct English is not complicated English.
It is simple English.
Simple English is powerful English. In the next part, we will talk about mistakes that happen in daily conversations.
Office, friends, phone calls.
And some mistakes that can change your meaning completely.
Most people never fix these.
So stay with us. If you are still here,
You care about improving.
subscribe to Talk Tia.
This channel helps you sound natural in English.
And write one simple line in the comments.
I want to fix my English.
That's enough. Now, Stay with me, because this part will feel very familiar.
Yes, these are mistakes people make every single day.
At home, at work, with friends. And most people don't even realize they are making them. So listen carefully. This is very important. Mistake number 4, myself and yourself overuse. Many Indians say sentences like this,
Myself, Rahul.
or myself working in a company.
Very common.
But in correct English, this is wrong. Myself is a reflexive word.
It is used only in special cases.
To introduce yourself, you simply say, my name is Rahul. I work in a company.
Clean and confident. Interactive practice. Fix it.
Say it with me. My name is. I work in.
Feel how natural this sounds. Earlier, I thought myself made my English strong.
And now.
Now I know simple words are stronger.
And now.
Now I know simple words are stronger.
Always. Why this mistake happens? This happens because of formal education style.
People think formal means correct.
But spoken English is different.
Spoken English is simple.
Yes, and simple English sounds confident. Mistake number 5, wrong question formation. Let's talk about questions now.
This is a big problem.
Many Indians say, what you are doing, where you are going.
It sounds understandable.
But it is not correct English. The correct way is, what are you doing? Where are you going?
Just a small change.
But a big improvement.
Interactive practice. Ask correctly.
Repeat after me. What are you doing? Where are you going?
Now your questions sound natural.
Why this mistake feels hard? This mistake happens because of sentence order.
Mother tongue order.
Yes, but don't worry.
This fixes with awareness.
Once you hear correct English more, your brain adjusts. Mistake number 6. I didn't went there.
This one is very common. I didn't went there.
Or I didn't eat food.
I've said this many times.
Now listen carefully. After did not, the verb is always simple.
Always. So the correct sentences are
I didn't go there. I didn't eat food.
interactive past tense fix.
Say it clearly. I didn't go. I didn't eat.
Very smooth. Earlier, my English had 2 pasts in one sentence.
Too much past.
Now 1 is enough.
Perfect. One simple rule to remember. Here is a golden rule.
Very useful.
After did, use the base form.
No thinking needed.
Mistake number 7, using actually too much. Many Indians use actually everywhere.
Actually, I'm busy. Actually, I don't know.
In English, actually is used carefully.
Not everywhere.
Often you don't need it. Just say, I am busy. I don't know.
Simple and strong. Interactive practice. Remove extra words.
Save this. I don't know. I am busy.
Clear English sounds confident.
Important reminder. Adding extra words does not improve English.
It weakens it.
Confidence comes from clarity. In the next part, we will talk about mistakes that change meaning completely.
Very dangerous mistakes.
And we will also learn how to self-correct without fear.
Most people never learn this, so stay with us.
If you are still listening,
You are serious about improvement.
subscribe to Talk Tia
This channel helps you fix real spoken English.
and write one line in the comments.
I am learning every day.
That's enough. Now, stay with us, because this part can change how people understand your English.
Yes, these mistakes don't just sound wrong,
They change meaning.
and that creates confusion. Now, listen carefully. This is very important. Mistake number 8. Confusing since and from.
Many Indians say, I am working here from 5 years.
I hear this a lot.
In English, this is not correct. Now listen carefully. Use since with a point of time. Use for with a period of time. So the correct sentences are, I am working here since 2019. I am working here for 5 years.
That feels clear. Repeat after me. Say this slowly. I am learning English for 2 years.
I am learning English since 2023.
Good. Now your time sounds correct. Human moment. Earlier, my English had from everywhere.
From morning to night.
Now it has a clear timeline.
Much better.
Mistake number 9. Saying open the light or close the fan.
This one is very common.
Open the light. Close the fan.
In English, we don't open or close lights and fans. We turn them on or off. Turn on the light, turn off the fan.
Simple correction. Repeat after me.
Turn on the light, turn off the fan.
Now it sounds natural. Mistake number 10. Pass out, meaning confusion.
Many Indians say, I passed out from college.
This can be dangerous.
Because in English, pass out often means to lose consciousness.
That sounds scary.
To talk about education, say, I graduated from college. I completed my degree.
Much safer. Repeat after me.
I graduated from college. I completed my degree.
Clear meaning. No confusion. One powerful habit to fix mistakes naturally.
Now, listen carefully.
This is important.
Don't try to correct everything while speaking.
That creates fear.
Speak first, notice later.
So correction comes after.
Yes, confidence first, accuracy later.
Stop overcorrecting yourself.
Many learners stop mid-sentence.
They fix grammar again and again.
That breaks flow.
Flow is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Let English move.
Repeat after me. Say this smoothly.
I think it's okay. I am not sure.
No stopping, no fixing. A simple self-check method.
Here is a very simple method.
Tell us.
After speaking, ask yourself, was my message clear?
Not, was my grammar perfect?
Exactly. Clear message means success.
Emotional confidence moment.
Let me say this from the heart.
Please do.
You don't need perfect English to be respected.
People respect effort.
They respect clarity.
And they respect confidence.
How to improve without pressure.
Listen to correct English daily, like podcasts.
Speak small sentences daily.
No long speeches.
And notice one mistake at a time.
Not all at once. Repeat after me.
Say this slowly. I am improving my English. I am learning step by step.
That sounds strong. Final motivation. Strong and calm.
Most people never fix these mistakes because they feel embarrassed.
You didn't run.
You stayed.
That means you care.
And people who care always improve.
Final soft CTA. Warm and honest.
If you stayed till here,
You did something powerful.
subscribe to Talktia
This channel helps you speak clear, confident English.
and write one simple sentence in the comments.
I will fix my English.
That's enough.
Closing lines. Calm and encouraging.
Remember,
Small corrections.
daily speaking.
No fear.
Your English is growing.
We are proud of you.
See you in the next podcast.